How many of you struggled with sleep during the beginning of the pandemic? Okay, so I'm a dream psychotherapist. I have many dreams. When the pandemic started, I dealt with some severe nightmares and interrupted sleep. I was living in Portland, Oregon, and there was a lot of chaos happening at the time. And for my nervous system, it was really scary. And it put my internal system into chaos. And so I buckled down and I made sure that I got enough sleep. I took care of my dog. I ate well. And I basically didn't have much of a personal life. It was just me and my dog and my private practice, which I really needed to protect because if I wasn't alert and I wasn't awake to what was happening in front of me, I wouldn't be of service to people during that time. And so out of fear, what I did was I just got to the basics, the fundamentals, and that worked. However, I did experience nightmares, and I hadn't experienced nightmares like this in a very long time. I think maybe when I was a young girl, I used to sleepwalk, and that corrected itself. So it was really strange when that happened again, and I was really just scared, because I was like, what is going on with my body? So, what does a dream psychotherapist do? Okay, let me use all my skills, everything that I know, and let me try a bunch of things out because I want to get back to where I was. And I'm glad to say in 2021, I moved to San Francisco. And since I moved to San Francisco, I've just felt this healing happen. There's something about the land in San Francisco, and I feel safe in San Francisco. And so it was just a great place to hold me as I recovered. And my sleep has been mostly good, I would say. And if I have an off night, I have so many tools now because of what I did with this workshop. It gave me a system to internalize for me to process difficult material and not wake up with a racing heart or not wake up with a bunch of sweat, right? It's like that's really tough when our bodies are actively in it and think that it's really going on and express that way versus you having a nightmare and it processes and you go through the entire nightmare all to the point where it's a little scary and maybe you wake up but your heart's not racing or you're not sweating or you don't feel super scared. It's just kind of like, oh, okay, I just went through something, processed an intense emotion, and I'm okay. So I created this workshop and it's based in treating trauma. However, it could work for all of you who are struggling with sleep. Anyone in the world can take this workshop. It's on demand, it's on my site. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.